Hey y'all, I'm Alex. Today I'm going to go over how to do a fast kick or a skipping front leg roundhouse kick. Now let's get started. Now before we start breaking down the fast kick or the skipping front leg roundhouse kick, make sure you know how to do just a standard front leg roundhouse kick, which looks like this. Boom, just pick that knee up, flick out that roundhouse, put it back down. Essentially the fast kick is the same thing. All we have to do is add that skipping motion, which we're going to break down right now. So all we're going to do, we're going to start standing a little bit wider than shoulder width apart in our fighting stance. This is what I tell people all the time. Basically, your back leg is going to go where your front leg is, and your front leg is going to come up and basically just do that kick. We're just going to do the motion first. So all we're going to do from here, I'm going to bring my back leg up, and it's going to go where my front leg is. As my front leg comes up, and I'm just going to pick that knee up bent. So it's going to look like this. 1, 2. Just like that. One more time. Back leg is going to come up as my front leg is going to pick up into that chamber. 1, 2. That's all I want you to practice first. So practice that little skipping motion, just like this. Practice that. Once you feel comfortable with that, all you have to do is just extend that kick out. So it's going to look like this. I'm going to, back leg comes up where my front leg is. My front leg is going to extend that kick. Boom. Just like that. A couple things to keep in mind, make sure you stay nice and low to the ground. You don't want to jump up, that's going to kind of throw the timing off. And then also, make sure you don't add any extra steps with this front foot. Common mistake. Make sure the first move you do, this back foot needs to go forward. Here, boom, skip right into that roundhouse kick. And that is how you're going to do your fast kick or your skipping front leg roundhouse. I hope you guys found this video useful. Let me know what kick you want to see me teach next in the comments down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and to keep up with more things that I'm doing, follow me on Instagram. Links are in the description down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys later.